how to redeem or use PayPal gift card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To start off, you need to install your PayPal application that is easily available for you in your Play Store or App Store. Make sure that you are logged in into your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, at the bottom of your application dashboard, tap on the cards icon. Now in here, select on the wallet section. Now right beside your card, you will see a plus sign icon. Tap on the plus sign. You need to enter your password of your PayPal account to continue. If you have forgotten your password, just tap on Forgot Password and follow the prompt. Now once you are verified, you need to add your card number. This card number is a gift card number that is of 16 digits that is engraved at the back of your gift card. Ensure to enter it correctly. Now once you have entered it, and if the gift card is valid, you will see a bonus on your PayPal balance. And this is how you'll be able to use or redeem your PayPal gift card online. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.